Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for pressure washers, cleaning equipment, parts and accessories. Here we have a Nilfisk Alto snow foam bottle. You'll note the stainless steel male bayonet connector. So this will allow you to snap the snow foam bottle into your Nilfisk Kew trigger gun. It's a 700ml bottle, so simply twist off the top, fill it full of your detergent, pop it back onto the actual head and connect up to your trigger gun. Now this one comes with a variable spray nozzle as well, so you can alter the width of the fan jet, so you can either have it as a directional nozzle or you can have it as a wide fan jet as well, just by simply twisting the nozzle on the end. The yellow cap on the top is a variable volume control, so that allows you to alter the volume of snow foam that's going to be injected onto the vehicle. So that's simply just by twisting the end there. And that's the Nilfisk Alto snow foam bottle, 700ml bottle.